to delete Boom accounts permanently. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to delete Boom accounts permanently. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is to install the Boom app on your mobile phone. Once you've done that, at the top right corner you see the settings icon. So at the top left corner you see the three lines here. You'll be asked to choose a connection, so you have to either choose the date connection or the BFF connection. So you just have to create a form of connection for people to connect with you online. So it's necessary that you choose a form of connection, okay? So Boom is basically about online dating, online relationship, or online friendship. So you also see the round circle showing your profile picture with your name and your age. Okay, so you also see the my pay plan icon. You see the safety and well-being icon also. So you can just go through the offers that are available on Boom. Okay, so back to the question: how to delete Boom accounts permanently. You take a look at the upper part of the screen where we have the settings icon. You click on the settings icon, then you see the first option you're going to see is the choose mode, and then you also see the option to snooze. You can snooze your message, and you also see the incognito mode. You see the auto spotlight mode. You see the current location mode. You also see the travel mode. You see the audio autoplay settings. You see the notification settings. You see contact and so on. So just at the bottom of the settings page, you see the logout option and you see the delete account option. So since you want to delete Boom app permanently, you click on the second option, delete account. So once you click on the delete account option, you'll be asked if you really want to delete the account. Okay, so here I've clicked on it. So select a reason for deleting your account. So you have to select a reason. On the drop down, you have to select a reason for deleting the account. So if it's found in a relationship, if that's a reason, or billing issue, or dissatisfied with your service, or other. So you just have to click on any of this option. Then once you click on it, they'll get the feedback and you can go ahead. It means you can proceed with the deleting of the account permanently. So it's very simple. Okay, so this is simply how to delete Boom accounts permanently. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.